Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, we will move to the lesson. Of Standard 6 and the title of this poem is Children Are Going to School. Yes students, originally this poem was written in Hindi language, that is बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं by Nida Fazli, and then it is translated to English. Yes students, today we will learn this and we will enjoy this. Children are going to school. This is a happy poem. Here nature is shown to be pleased that children are going to school. Most of you are happy to go to school. Because of the coronavirus pandemic, schools are closed and we opted for online learning. The main motto is to be in the stream of education. But I know that you all are not so happy with this because you all are missing your friends, school, teachers, the ground games and that funny jokes which you crack on the way between school and home. So students, we all together pray to God to help us to get rid of this pandemic so that we all will return to our happy days. Right? The poem starts here. Morning light spreads over the earth. Here, the poet says that the morning light spreads over the earth. The sky once again bows his head in respect because children are going to school. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road for children are going to school. Here, the sun, after his morning dip in the river, is dressed in his turban of golden muslin. He waits and smiles on one side of the road for children are going to school. Here some we will see here muslin. What is the meaning of muslin? Muslin is a kind of soft cotton cloth. See this? And here turban. What is the meaning of turban? See here. A man tied a turban on his head. Can you see that? To protect the head from the heat of the sun. Now the next. Though the green-topped branches, breezes sing their songs of blessings. Means here, the breeze moving through the green-topped branches of trees sings songs of blessings. Here, you can see the picture here. The meaning of breeze. Breeze means a wind blowing across. Here students, the wind blowing across the green topped branches of trees. You can see a pleasant nature. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. Means here flowers having a pleasant smell make the sleepy roads come awake with their songs. A fragrant. See, the fragrant flower means having a pleasant smell. Melodies, tunes or songs. The next is at the corner of the lane, the people in his lush, deep foliage waves his hands for children are going to school. Means at the corner of the lane, the people tree from under his green leafy cover waves his hands for children are going to school. The people tree is very happy to see that children are going to school, so it is waving its hands. Yeah, foliage. Foliage means greenery, leaves and branches of plants. See that. The next is angels of light have set out, every road is a gleam. The meaning is the angels of light have made every road shine brightly. They are also happy to see the children are going. At this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like mother's heart. Here, the meaning is at this hour, every particle of the earth beats like a mother's heart because each and every particle is very happy to see that the children are going to school. The meaning of throb is beat or sound with a strong regular rhythm, pulse rate steadily. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. Here it means that time is sitting on an old roof making the pigeons fly in the air, for children are going to school. See students, in this poem the nature is pleased to see that children are going to school. So they are giving respect and they are bowing their heads. They are showing their pleasantness towards the thing. A very beautiful poem, isn't it? Now students, now we will move towards the exercise part. Find at least two things from the poem that show the following. It is a early morning. Yes, in this poem, some lines say that it is a early morning. Yes, we have to find out which two things from the poem that show us about that it is a morning. See, the first line is morning light spreads over the earth. This tells us that it is a early morning. Second one, the sun after his morning dip in the river. Again, it tells us that the time is nothing but a early morning. Okay. The atmosphere is pleasant. You can see the pictures over here. It shows the pleasant atmosphere. Now we have to find out which are the lines that tells us that the atmosphere is pleasant. See here, breezes sing their songs of blessings. And the second one is fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy clouds. All All things are happy here to see that children are going to school. They are breezing and the fragrant flowers. They are awakening the sleepy clouds. The next is, apart from children, many natural elements are shown to act like persons. Name them and also write what they do. The students here in this full poem, only children, they are living things. Children and plants. Okay, living things. And so many other natural elements are there that are given the characteristics of the persons. Means that they act like a persons. Here we have to find out them, and here we have to write which are these natural elements and what they are doing. Okay. Yes, sun dipping in the river. Dipping in the river is a person's act. Here it is given to the sun. Dressing up. Again, dressing up is the characteristics of human beings. There it is given to sun. Waiting and smiling. See students here, waiting and smiling. We do, correct? That act is given to the sun. That is a natural element. Some more are there. We will see. Sky, bowing his head with the respect because children are going to school. See, sky is a natural element, bowing his head. When the king arrives, the ministers and the other people, they bow their heads. Correct? Here it is given to the sky. Next, branches, singing song. Yes, this one also the act of a human being given to the branches. People, waving his hand means people tree that became happy and it is waving his hands towards the children. See again here, human act is given to the people tree. Flowers, awakening, getting up. Yes, again human character is given to the natural element. Particle, throbbing. Time, sitting. See dear students, all these are human acts and they are given to the natural elements. Correct? Here, draw a picture of the scene described in the poem. Yes, students, here nature is described in the poem, right? Because nature is pleased with the students that they are going to school. Now here we have to draw some of the pictures which are described in the poem. For example, we will take morning light spreads over the earth. Yes, here we can draw sun and mountains, then river also we can draw here, and some trees and all that we can draw. Correct? Light, and we can color it. The second one, angels of light have set out. Here we can draw the angels handling the lamp and they are standing in the street. Yes, it is very easy to draw. Correct? The next one is flying pigeons in the sky. You can draw the sky and so many pigeons they are flying in the sky. I think like this you can draw all these, and whichever you want to select, you can select from the poem. Okay? And whenever you get the time, you draw and you color it. Okay, dear students? Students, we all know that we love our school. Right? Thank you very much for being with me. Yes, students, please go through this poem 3 to 4 times and learn by heart. Okay? Thank you very much students for being a part of this lesson.
Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.